In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets. If you're working in a spreadsheet with multiple tabs, hiding a sheet can be a really useful way to keep things organized. It helps reduce clutter at the bottom of your spreadsheet and can make it easier to focus only on the tabs you need to see. Then, whenever you need that hidden sheet again, you can quickly bring it back. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and make sure the spreadsheet is open in your browser. Once you're inside the file, look along the very bottom of the screen where all of your sheet tabs appear. These tabs are the individual pages or sections inside your spreadsheet. To hide a sheet, find the specific sheet tab you want to remove from view. Next to that sheet tab, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to open the Sheet Options menu. This menu gives you several actions related to that tab, and the one we want here is the option to hide the sheet. From the menu, click Hide Sheet. As soon as you do that, the sheet will disappear from the row of visible tabs at the bottom. Don't worry, this does not delete the sheet or remove any of its data. It simply hides it from view, which is helpful if you want to keep certain tabs out of the way while you work. Now let's unhide that sheet so it becomes visible again. In the same bottom row where your sheet tabs are, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to open the list of all sheets in the spreadsheet. This view makes it easy to find sheets that are currently hidden, as well as the ones that are visible. In that list, locate the sheet you hid. You'll notice it does not have a tick next to it. Click on that sheet name and Google Sheets will unhide it immediately. The tab will reappear at the bottom of the spreadsheet and you'll be able to access it just like before. That's all it takes to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're managing large or busy spreadsheets. If you use a lot of tabs, this is a great way to keep your workspace clean and easier to navigate.